Inside the modern elephant management facility, we're looking at how massive herds are managed, a full operational walkthrough.
Transport Bay, this is gate control. Gate 1 is transitioning to armed open. The pathway is clear. Ramp alignment confirmed. The quiet corridor is clear.
Copy that. Truck commencing approach.
All right, the thermal scan shows no areas of concern. Vitals are stable, and let's move on to the visual assessment.
All right, easy now. Step right up here for us. We need to get your weight recorded.
Clear Zone C.
Once the trough is full and the sensor reads okay, the elephants approach. Hydration is key. We use a low-pressure hose mister directed at the walls to create a fine cooling.
The caretaker ensures the feed is uncontaminated before the herd approaches.
To monitor herd health, our staff collects samples immediately following feeding. Each specimen is carefully
The sample is analyzed under the microscope before the results are logged into the central database.
Once the intake process is complete, as indicated by the sign, the animals enter the observation.
Prepare Zone A.
With route discerned area.
Welcome to the main holding yard. Once the airlock secures the animal, our precision feeding system delivers a measured diet of hay and specialized pellets.
Here in the modern feed store, each bale is meticulously weighed. This one, batch 07, stabilizes at
The process begins with the automated cart, delivering sealed rations. At Station 1, the
keepers use tablets to log consumption, while the facility's automated systems ensure a constant supply of both food and purified water.
the water quality is verified safe. We perform this check hourly to ensure the herd's health.
Inside the modern elephant management facility, massive herds are managed. The Mudwalla water release.
Once the shade gate note is issued, we open the valve, and the elephants are quick to enjoy the fresh mud bath.
Once cooling is complete, the herd moves to the enrichment zone. This session is crucial for their well-being.
This automated system ensures precise dietary management while providing crucial cognitive enrichment. The keepers log the engagement time and calmness scores.
The engagement timer recorded a successful interaction of 38 seconds.
This feels a little clinical, doesn't it?
Yeah. They're managing hundreds. Better clinical than chaotic.
Are they happy? They are healthy and safe.
Vet round start.
Good girl, lift. Hold that steady. Okay, let's take a look at this foot pad now.
All right, back now. Back.
Radio check, command. All systems green. Cart 17 verified.
Okay, the thermal scan is complete. Foot is verified, okay.
All right, giving the reward now.
Position.
As part of the daily protocol, we ensure the isolation gates are fully operational, checking both the hydraulics and the fail-safe lock before activation.
Rigorous sanitization ensures the safety of the herd. Now, let's look at the facility's impressive drainage and filtration systems.
Here we see the double gate airlock in operation.
The facility relies on these massive biofilters. As the ribbon test confirms, stale air is activating the night vision allows us to monitor the herd in infrared. The system has flagged elephant ID 014 with a low activity alert.
Control to Vet Team 1, initiate welfare check on ID 014.
Copy that, moving now.
The elephants are guided into the rest zone, where automated systems ensure constant access to fresh water.
Welcome to the modern elephant management facility. As the operator logs, the comfort adjustment is now complete, ensuring the herd's well-being.
The weight trend here shows a clear improvement.
Agreed.
The new plan is effective.
Alert resolved. Let's review the final feed distribution.
Verified.
Water confirmed.
After the mobility scan, we level the sand bedding. Once the thickness is confirmed, we move to the calf monitoring zone.
The night shift operator confirms herd zone day is clear.
We rotate the toys weekly. I'm adding the new log and ball now and scheduling the puzzle feeder swap for the 15th.
The heatwave protocol ensures the herd's comfort. As you can see, all supplies are stocked and ready for deployment.
Perimeter status verified secure.
The perimeter sensors are active and the panel test confirms full functionality. Next, we move on to the fire safety check.
Here we see the routine inspection of the door seal and mesh vent. This ensures the environment remains protected from pests before the final lock engages.
In the modern management facility, every zone is monitored, ensuring the herd's stability and comfort throughout the night.
Here in the modern management facility, massive herds are tracked in real time. The system reports a stable status across all zones.
After confirming all zones are stable and the day's operations are complete, the herd can enjoy a peaceful night.
This is the heart of the facility, where the herd enters its stable rest phase, monitored by advanced thermal cameras.
Resource allocation for stable herd ID 014 is complete. All sectors are prepared for tomorrow's deployment.
Our state-of-the-art facility manages the entire herd process, from arrival and quarantine through feeding.
Welcome to the modern elephant management facility. As the sun rises,